This is what they have been telling you in China about India. कब बोलना शुरू होगी तू?
जो बच्चा बड़ा हो गया अभी अपने आप खाता अपने हाथ से, देखो.
Why everyone will think she's my daughter? Speak about the myths that you have in China about India. तो पाजी किदा? Good morning everyone and welcome back to another vlog. Look at her. The cutie is ready for her morning walk. Alright, let's go. We'll be going for a long walk. That's our routine.
Yes.
Anytime we see a clear sky with sun or no sun, we take her out. Right? Right? Okay, let's go. Hello, family. How is she so quiet? ये देखो बच्ची को इसमें छोड़ के तो संभाल थोड़ी देर. मुझे दिखे हैं पड़े हुए ये चेरी गुआवा, तो उससे पहले कि हम इनके ऊपर से कुचल के जाए इन्हें, मुझे कुछ उठाने हैं. उठा ले भाई, हम बचते बचते निकलते हैं भाई. नो आई एम नॉट क्रशिंग इट, डोंट वरी. Here, see a big one over there.
Do we have a bag?
No, I don't think so. There as well, behind you. हाँ मेरे चेरी गुआवा, तू भी कुछ सुना दे अपनी. कब बोलना शुरू होगी तू? मुझसे बात करेगी, मुझे बताएगी है, और जब बोलना शुरू होगी फिर चुप नहीं होगी, है ना पापा? एक बार शुरू होगी ना फिर आप ही हाथ जोड़ोगे कि चुप हो जा. ड्रॉप हर फोन फॉर चेरी गुआवा. वाह वाह. Maybe pick your phone first. You still haven't picked that biggest one over there. Cutie. कितना शांत सा बच्चा है, चुपचाप बस देखता रहता है ना? ऐसा लोगों को लगता होगा, लेकिन जब तू शोर मचाती है, जब तेरे फेस पे कैमरा नहीं होता, जब तेरे को छुप छुप के रिकॉर्ड करता हूँ, तब दिखती थी असलियत, कितना चिल्लाती है. ओके ओके लेट्स गो. Did you pick your phone up? उठ गया भाई मेरा बच्चा. ओए कैसी नींद आई थी? पापा आपके पास तो हमेशा नींद अच्छी ही आती है ना? मस्त सोई भाई ये 2-2.5 घंटे.
मेरा बच्चा बड़ा हो गया अभी अपने आप खाता अपने हाथ से, देखो. ये भाई इसके अंदर ब्लूबेरी है, कोई इसमें वो बोलते हैं ना एडिशनल स्वीटनेस या ये सब, वो सब कुछ नहीं है इसमें, सिर्फ ब्लूबेरी कुकी है. बस बेटा बस थोड़ा थोड़ा करके खाओ. ओए ओए ओए, इधर दिखा तू, ऐसे नहीं खाया जाएगा, इसको खा पहले. चल ठीक है, तू अपने आप खा ले, अपने आप गंद मचा ले, मैं नहीं रोकता.
She has got a
They will say she's your daughter.
she's got a new cap for her. Why everyone will think she's my daughter?
Oh, she looks so much like Indian.
Basically, she means Sikh people who keep the turban
So it's resembling the turban.
Is it?
Yes, it is.
It's more like by accident. I was thinking of it gives you a cute vibe. This is something I didn't expect.
ओ पाजी किदा ओ की हाल है
She's your daughter. Now we know.
For you guys, Indians is just turban. That's what you think?
But she's looking so much Indian under this.
Yeah, she's looking cute. Does this cap right size? Do it from this ear as well. Cover the ears completely. Yeah, seems like right size.
Yes, it's sure soft as well. It's just
Look at my girl. Pink cheeks. She just woke up and her cheeks turned pink. Hi, baby. Baby. Oh. बोल दे बेटा कुछ तो बोल दे तू सो के उठा इतना शांत हो गया ए ए ए ए
you sound awful.
Giving her a harder task. ये देखो भाई इसका कैसा खिलौना बना दिया उसके अंदर मटर डाल दी 5-6 अब खेलती रहती बेचारी खाली प्लास्टिक की बोतल के साथ कुछ नहीं चाहिए इसे बस ये खाली प्लास्टिक की बोतल दे दो इससे बात करते रहो ऐसी खुश जाती है ये इसकी लैंग्वेज सुबह से भाई आज बहुत तेज बारिश हो रही थी लेकिन अब आप जैसे कि देख सकते हो आसमान पूरा खुल चुका है इस क्यूटनेस को हम लेके आ चुके हैं शाम की वॉक के लिए ये देखो कितनी क्यूट लग रही है इस हैट में अपने बहुत प्यारी लगती है भाई इसमें सो आई एम थिंकिंग हाउ अबाउट टुडे वी डू अ लिटिल सेगमेंट वेयर यू स्पीक अबाउट द मिथ्स दैट यू हैव इन चाइना अबाउट इंडिया समथिंग दैट you have heard in your in your hometown or something which is very common for you Chinese people back in China about India.
Okay.
तो भाई बेसिकली लेट मी जस्ट एक्सप्लेन इन हिंदी तो बेसिकली मैं इससे पूछ रहा हूँ कि ऐसे कौन से मिथ हैं जो भाई इंडिया के बारे में ऐसी कौन सी अफवाहें हैं या कौन सी बातें हैं जो फैलाई जाती हैं इंडिया के बारे में चाइना में वो मुझे बता और फिर हम देखते हैं कि उनमें से कितनी सच है और कितनी भाई वाहियात है. Yes, go on.
First of all, you guys marry multiple wives.
We marry multiple wives. That's, I guess, you must be confusing it with the Muslims. Muslims have 4 wives all around the world. That's in their culture.
In our mind, we think all of you marry a lot of wives.
Okay, that's one thing. Another myth. Yeah, she sees another cherry guava and the whole segment is paused because she wants to pick the cherry guava.
Wait.
Taken your cherry guavas? Let's go. Your mother is crazy about cherry guava. All right. Where were we? So, one myth has been cleared and you guys can obviously tell your views on this. What's the second myth?
That the water is really dirty. Even if you open your eye in the shower,
Yeah.
and then you will have some diarrhea.
This is what they have been telling you in China about India? भाई पहली जो मिथ थी उसमें कह रही थी कि हम लोग इंडिया में बहुत सारी शादियां करते हैं ये एक तो बहुत कॉमनली इनको बताया जाता है चाइना में दूसरा इसने जो बोला है वो ऐसा बताया गया है कि भाई हमारे पानी इतना गंदा है कि हम अगर नहाएंगे भी ना तो हमें दस्त लग जाएंगे, इस तरीके की बात बता रखी है इनको. ओके, ऑलराइट. द थर्ड वन.
You don't like girls in the family. If one family is born with girls, you think, such a disappointment. You only like boys.
Well, it is somehow true because this is something which was very rudimentary, which is very bad and orthodox thinking. And I believe it's not just about India. In most of the part it used to be, but in contemporary times have changing. Like us as parents, we don't see our daughter as disappointment, right? Because we are the new generation. But in the old times, I believe it used to happen for not just India, but for every country. I believe even in China.
Depends on where you are. In my province, we always like girls.
But most of it, all around the world, back in the old days, it used to be the thing, right? Like if you go back and think about yourself when you were born, what was the reaction of your parents back in those days?
My mom loved it.
And your father?
My father don't like it.
See? So it was the thinking of the old people back in those days. But it's in today's generation, we are happy with our beautiful girl.
Oh, are you?
I am. What kind of question is that? Are you? तो भाई जो तीसरा मिथ था वो ये था कि लड़कियां पैदा होती हैं अगर हमारे घर में तो हम खुश नहीं होते, जो कि चलो इसको मैं मान लेता हूँ कि काफ़ी हद तक सही है, जो कि भाई हर जगह में था. और मैंने इसको ये भी बताया कि सिर्फ हमारी कंट्री में नहीं, अगर तुम पुराने दौर में जाओगे तो लगभग हर कंट्री में ऐसा ही होता था कि लड़का होने पे खुश होते थे और लड़कियां होने पे इतने खुश नहीं होते थे. ओके, व्हाट्स द नेक्स्ट मिथ?
You treat your wife badly.
Are we turning this conversation from India China myth or you or me?
No, it's what we know in general because you don't value women
Okay.
in general.
And how do you feel about it once we have been living together?
That's not too bad.
Still, it's bad.
Maybe that's cultural difference.
Oh, she's just being polite. Basically, she wants to say she's not happy with me. Say it.
I'm not happy with you.
What is that answer? I'm not happy with you. Huh?
Your English is good enough to understand me, maybe.
I will understand you. What do you say, man? Babe, I'm always loving you and taking care of you, respecting you. Why do you say that about me? Okay, let's stick to what we were talking about. So that's the myth that we don't
Yeah.
respect women.
Yeah.
Well, I hope that myth has been broken for you ever since you are with me. At least I believe so, that I am trying my best. But if you have some other standards, I can't tell what is it that you have in your mind. Anything specific that you would like to point out?
For what? From what?
From, like you said, very diplomatic kind of answer when I asked you that what about me being with you, has that changed any opinion on that? And you were like, no, not so much, yeah, kind of. What is that?
Oh, well, you are definitely very different from, I think, where you're coming from.
Okay.
You are special.
So you like it how I treat you?
Not all the time.
Yeah, obviously.
But
No
most
one
of the
likes
time.
no one likes to be treated all the time the way they think they will be treated in anywhere. We try our best. Sometimes I also feel that way, that something is missing, but that's part of relationship. Every relationship, there will be moments where you like, oh, this guy, oh, this girl doing so much for us, and sometimes you will be like, look at this asshole. So don't think too much. Be happy with what you have got. So basically, ये जो मिथ था ये था कि भाई हम ज़्यादा रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करते विमेंस वगैरह की. और मैंने बताया कि भाई देखो ऐसा है कि पैट्रियार्कल सोसाइटी तो है अपने इंडिया में, लेकिन ये डिपेंड करता है इंसान टू इंसान, तो कुछ कह नहीं सकते. फिर मैं इसके अपने बारे में पूछा था कैसा लगता है, तो इसके मिक्स्ड इमोशंस आए. कभी कभी अच्छा है, कभी कभी लगता है जो कि यूजुअल है हर रिलेशनशिप में. नहीं, कोई भी रिलेशनशिप परफेक्ट नहीं होता. ओके, एनी अदर myth?
No, that's it.
So these were the
So, in general, we don't know much about you. Because the traveling between the two countries is not very common.
Yeah, it's not very convenient either. Like I was checking the visa conditions just for, just for fun. Like if someday in the future we decide to go, I was checking the visa thing and it showed that for you, because we are not married, I will have to apply for visitor visa because she is my daughter. She has to just apply for, what was that? I forgot the name, but yeah, basically more easy. And then it was mentioned in the list few of the countries, which is the time limit. There was written no time limit. Like for countries like China and some other countries, they were saying if you apply for your visitor visa, they don't know how much time it will take to be. Yeah. Well, to be honest, in India as well, it's quite unknown about your country. There are some certain myths in our country as well about China. And that was the case. When I was with you, some initial videos of us I started posting online. My mother was too scared. She's like, what? She's gonna cut you in half. She's gonna cut you in pieces. So in our country, basically, they think that you guys can eat anything. And then you guys are cruel.
Including Indians.
Yes. And they were thinking that you guys are cruel and all those stuff, which I found out that you guys are much nicer. I've been to your country as well. I've known you guys, your family. So good. We guys, on the other hand, are quite sneaky. We have little tricks and all. These guys are simple, to be honest.
No, but from that side, what we know for you is that you're generally intelligent, so that you're in industries like IT or
We are intelligent.
finance.
That's why we are good
or
at tricking as well.
doctors.
That's why. Intelligence works in everything.
Yeah.
Yeah. But you are smart as well. Like Chinese people are also very smart. Chinese brain and Indian brain are quite similar. And then what was the myth? Well, there are lots of myths like about the Chinese products. They are not reliable. They do not last longer. And again, that myth has been, passed on by the Western society, especially America, because you were taking over their market products. And because we had better relation with America rather than China. So that myth was traveled across in India. And then obviously, whatever products we were getting from China are very cheap and bad quality, and they were not lasting very long. So it became kind of a real thing for everyone that, oh, Chinese products are so bad. But to be honest, let me tell you one thing. Most of the products we get from China are the best quality, because you have to know from where you are shopping. If you are shopping from certain websites which will give you cheap products, obviously they are not going to last long. But if you go for some really good websites, Chinese products are the best in the quality. I have seen that.
Nowadays, it's not only about quality. We do have good quality, but more important is that for a lot of products,
Yeah.
they can only be found in China.
That's
You
true.
cannot even imagine they exist outside the world.
I am the live witness for it. Most of the things that arrive from China, let's say just for our girl, I'm so surprised. I'm like, what? What is this technology? How is that possible that you guys have made so many things and we haven't even seen it? Like, I can tell you, even when I was in China, there were some things which were really unusual for a common eye when you are not from China. And then these people, they have it. Like for not very usually, even the old people, when I've seen, most of your old people will have some gadgets, which I've never seen earlier.
They have old people tablet where they can call relatives, do video call,
And
where
then
they
one
can
thing,
pay.
I saw
as
that
well.
little kids, when we were in the market. One thing I forgot to tell you, even when we were doing the China tour, they were little kids,
Yeah.
4 or 5 year old. They had watches, and
Everybody have watches. Like, you are going to be very unique if you don't have one.
tell them about that watch.
Smartwatch.
What is that watch?
So you can locate you. That's a basic function. Parents wants to know where the children are. So we connect it to the GPS 24 hours.
It has
and then-
tracker.
Yes. From their watch, the children can call their parents easily.
Yeah.
They can also pay. If the parents give some bank limit to their watch, they can also pay for some small snacks.
And I was
And they
really
can send
surprised.
message
They can send
among us.
message, they can connect. Like I asked her when I was in the mall because it is very common for them. So she didn't even think that it is something that needs to be told. But I was in the mall and I saw some kids, little kids, just doing this with their watches, and I'm like, what are they doing? And then she was telling me, oh, they are doing this, that. I'm like, what?
This didn't started like the year we went back last year.
Yeah.
This started several years ago.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like by the time I went there, I didn't know that this even exists.
Yeah.
And I don't think most of the people have any idea about it.
Yeah, it's true.
So in gadgets, definitely, you guys are way far ahead. And then again, the myths, most of the myths, the bad things about China is told to us by the Americans in the Western countries. And obviously because we used to be in the Cold War with China, we used to believe everything bad about them. So that's the thing. But that's not even Corona, right? I used to tell you guys every time that this was all done by America. But obviously who would believe me? Because this false narrative was made and, talked about so many all around the world on the internet that Corona came from China, No. And now people are getting to realize when the Epstein file was released that it was through Bill Gates. Now they are realizing that it was actually America who conspired this kind of virus all across the world to make the population little less. Imagine.
And something more about China is that we planted, I think, more than thousands or 10,000 acres of forest in the desert.
I heard that
It's a
in
big
news.
area. Yes.
Yeah.
We used more than 10 years to make the desert into a forest.
Wow.
That's a big project that people in America, in other places, just burn their forests down.
Yeah.
It's a surprise to find out when I come to New Zealand. I went to the museum. Let them know that before the white people come,
Yeah.
this country is covered by trees, and forest coverage is 87%
Yes.
of the whole land.
That's true.
And then the initial people come, they want to farm, so they burn down 70% of the forest in this country.
Yes, that's
And
true.
they left this country only 20 to 30% of forest coverage.
Mm-hmm.
So that's what white people do.
Yeah, and like one thing which is not just common about white people, like all across the world, but not very common in China, is that from the things that I have seen, like bridges, roads, that forests made in the desert, those kind of things, if those projects are passed in our country, let's talk about our countries, half of that budget will be gone in the pockets of those big officials. And those things will be made with a very low quality products. While in China, I have seen those projects, if they are given to someone, they fear the government so much that they would not try to make it of cheap quality. Otherwise, they know that they will be jailed.
Because it's accountable for them even if they retire.
That's what I'm talking about. That they are accountable for it even if they are retired. But in India, that's not the case. If they take some project, they basically take it so that they can take most of the money in their pocket. So that's the kind of corruption I'm talking about, which is very rare to find in China. And that's why China is high on development, on infrastructure development, or those kind of things. Plus, there were no beggars on the street. There's hardly any crime. When I was walking around with my camera all across China, not even once I saw any beggar coming up to me or anyone disturbing me on the street asking me for money.
Yeah, because that will be dealt at the community level.
Yeah.
People will always have some kind of home and they will have somewhere that they're coming from, right? It's being dealt from that basic level, so you don't see them wander around.
Yeah, but
Around cities,
in India
being
it's
taken
quite
care
common.
of.
It's quite common. Like, not just beggars. Like if you go to the public touristy place in Delhi, I'm talking about, like Lal Killa
Oh, it's a view.
or anywhere, you know what you will see? You will see some boys like who are trying to get big on social media or anything. And if they see a foreigner, they will just start recording or clicking pictures with them without even their consent and make them really uneasy. So that sort of thing would never you would see in China, that they are actually harassing someone. So that's something that I really liked about China. there's public toilets again, so clean, so basic thing. But I have to mention this because these basic things need to be sorted everywhere. When I went to China and I saw any public toilet, it was super clean, no smell, nothing. Like it was feeling like I am in some hotel and I'm using their washroom. Well, I wish someday we will also achieve these things. And let's see, looking forward to a direct flight from India to China. That day
And
would be
also New
something.
Zealand to India.
Yeah, also New Zealand to India. I don't know why it's no direct connectivity. Alright guys, this is us for today's vlog. I'll see you in the next vlog. Until then, bye bye.